Hello and welcome to Formpipe In Focus, our very first episode. And today we are joined by Jacek Barud from the QA team, and he's here to talk to us today about that very team. Jacek, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Good to see you, Joe.
Excellent. It's always a pleasure to see you, Jacek. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm in Formpipe family almost 10 years. I joined in the support, so I learned a lot about our product. Then after 3 years, I joined development team as the tester, and I was leading the testing up to this year, where formally we created a QA department for a few products.
And this is why we're here today. Please tell me a little bit more about the QA team.
Yes, the idea of the QA team came because we have a lot of products. They are separate testers. They following different processes, standards. So we merge two major products into one team. So by this, we can improve the processes, learn from each other, apply best practices on the place. We also like sharing the knowledge and following one standard.
Excellent. So with that, how does the QA team actually work alongside the development team, for example, in the release cycle?
Yes, at the moment we have 5 testers, and generally we keep the separation. So around 2 testers each product is working closely to the development team. We keep very close relationship with developers, so we contribute in the daily stand-ups, important meetings. By this, we learn what developers will bring into the product. We know in advance how much time we need to allocate for preparation for the testing and give the feedback. We also contribute in the code reviews, so we give the early feedback for the developers on the PR stage, which means the new functionality is not merged with the product yet. This allows developers reduce the working time on and help quicker apply the fixes and improve the quality. So yeah, we're really close with developers. And regarding to release cycle, in the initial phase when the developers didn't bring features yet, testers working on improving the current test plans and procedures. We're learning from the previous releases, so we know which areas we need to improve. And when the developers bring the functionality, we're jumping on this, we're preparing the test plans. And once developers do code freeze, so they're not developing new features, we running full regression test. So we run all functionality testing and non-functional test as well, and give the feedback. And after that, once everyone is happy, we agree what can be fixed in this release, what is not important in this release, then we give the green light and we do release of the product.
Fantastic. Fantastic. And I know the work you do is so important to ensure the software is robust, and also, that the customers out there get well-tested, fully functional software. So I appreciate all the hard work that you guys do in QA. So tell us, finally, what you see the future for the QA team.
At the moment, we're doing a lot of manual testing. Of course, we have automated tests, also developers doing a lot of automated testing. But for us, QA team is quite small, 5 people at the moment. Because we have a lot of manual testing, we cannot expand to other areas, like do more testing on the performance aspects, load testing, stress testing, or the security. We'll go for the automation. So we will try to reduce manual tests and move them for the automation. This will cost us a bit work, but after time we'll have more time to do extra testing, which is, I think, very important for large customers. And we will focus on the security testing and the performance testing.
Brilliant. That's really interesting. Thank you so much for coming to talk to us today, Jacek.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much for joining us on this first episode of Formpipe In Focus. If you want to find out any more information about our products or our teams, you can visit our support site. It's support.formpipe.com, and there's loads of information there which you can subscribe to keep up to date with our company. Until the next episode, I'll say goodbye. Thank you very much for joining us.